Friends, here is one more problem based on the same direction. We have to find the unfolded paper, how the unfolded paper appears after punching different types of cuts on that paper. Okay, here they have given different figures which show how the paper is folded and how it is punched. Let us draw that. This is the first image and this is the direction. This direction says that the paper is folded like this. After this fold, this will appear like this, isn't it? Once the paper is folded like this will appear like this. Next figure says the paper is folded like this. That means from this point the paper is folded like this. Then how it will look? Yes, this will appear like this. Now in the last figure you can see that how the paper is cut or how it is punched. So this here one cut, a straight cut. We should observe carefully. Different type of cut going to give you different type of shape. This is a straight cut. Now at the top you can see one more straight cut. At the center, a inclined cut. At the center there is an inclined cut. Now imagine after unfolding this paper how this will appear. There are some techniques. Use those techniques to solve the problem. As I said in the previous example, the best way to solve such problems is to eliminate wrong options. So first see which type of cuts were made on the paper and how many layers were formed. If you see this first figure, the paper is folded like this. Then here I am going to get 2 layers. Okay. In this, once again the paper is folded like this. Then how many layers? Total 4 layers. That means if I cut the paper in very straight line like this, then it should appear on 4 layers. It should appear on all the 4 layers. Here I am cutting one more straight cut. That means it should also appear on 4 layers. Here an inclined cut. It's not a straight cut. It is little bit inclined, and this cut should appear on all the 4 layers. And one thing here you have to observe, this is center of paper. If you observe carefully, this is center of paper. Once you cut here, this is going to appear at the center of paper, and this is inclined. It is not a straight cut, it is inclined. So this will be my first cut on the first layer. This will be my second cut on the second layer, and this will be my third cut on the third layer, and this will be my fourth cut on fourth layer. Because I got 4 layers, this cut should appear on all the layers. This will be my first cut on the first layer, this will be my second cut on the second layer, and this will be my third cut on the third layer, and this will be fourth cut on the fourth layer. Now this is a straight cut. That means the paper should be cut in straight line. It should not be like this. It should be like this. It should appear like this. Next, here a top cut which is also straight, and it should appear like this. And it should appear on all the 4 layers. Like this, here as well. Now lines. This is the paper. Just join them. And here I will erase this and just join this. Now this is the image which can be, this is the image which can be used to show how this paper appear when unfolded. So this is the image of unfolded paper. Just cross verify this figure with the given 4 alternatives. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. First option, here you can see that this is matching with the figure or not. Yes, it is not at all matching. So option 1 is wrong. Moving to second, if you observe carefully, there are no cuts at the top and bottom. Even you can see this round cuts on left and right side. But as I said, it depends on type of cut. Here it is a straight cut. That means you can directly eliminate. A straight cut should come here. Okay, but it is a round cut. Using that only you can eliminate. In the paper it is shown that a straight cut, that means a straight cut should appear on paper. But it is showing round cut, directly eliminate. Now moving to third option. If you see third option, it is exactly matching. Therefore third option is the right option. If you see last option, in the last option you can see round cuts. Just eliminate, because we cut the paper in the straight line. That's why it should appear a straight cut here. But in the fourth option there is a round cut. That means eliminate that option. Using elimination of options by seeing the different cuts, different punches on the paper, and different layers formed, on how many layers formed, how many cuts will appear, and where they appear. Using those techniques you can eliminate wrong options and finally come to correct option. Well friends, now I will move to next problem.